There's a sleep apnea risk that is way worse than a heart attack. And I'm talking like this is one of the most terrifying things you learn about in medical school, besides how much medical school is. So, when you have sleep apnea, every single time you stop breathing, it causes a big increase, then a big decrease in pressure inside your abdominal cavity, which will pretty much wreak havoc on all the physical structures in there and actually start to pull them apart a little bit, which isn't always a problem unless it's your aorta. Let me show you. This is your aorta. It takes all the blood from your heart to the rest of your body. Now, when you have sleep apnea, remember I said it can pull tissue layers apart and actually cause some minor tears here. This is known as an aortic dissection. When you have this little tear here, and then outside of that gets filled with blood, and then the result is something like this. You get this like big tear that just runs through. And that's what makes it much more deadly than a heart attack. About like 50-70% of aortic dissection patients die within like 48 hours. So the symptoms to look out for. So like the number one thing, like on a test question, is really bad back pain and chest pain. Like the worst back pain you ever had, like just shooting up your back, all of that. That's like the number one symptom. Now, of course, anytime you're having chest pain, really bad back pain, go to your doctor, okay? That's like an issue, okay? Now, at the same time, I don't want you to like freak out, all right? Because yes, there are going to be risks that come up in sleep apnea because it's destroying your body and preventing you from repairing at night. But the thing is, it's what you do with this information, right? It is one thing where you can go be in fear. It's not the intent of this. It's another thing where you have the necessary knowledge. So if anything does happen, knock on wood, you're aware of it. And also, being more aware of other things that, can be prevented. Now, if you do want to have more ways to help with your breathing, also help with your sleep at night, that's like super easy, simple, step-by-step, go to apneareset.com/thrive.